Ludwig, heel. Oh ja, you see? He's too busy sniffing. Hi. Ludwig! Ludwig! Heel! Come! You're embarrassing me, boy. All this. Okay. Ludwig! Come on! Run, 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 run! Hey! Hey, Platz. Oh, good boy. Platz. Down. Platz. You really are embarrassing me. But it's okay. I love you anyway. Heel. Good boy. You see, we got that down. Let him smell. Look at those hardy does. Eh? I'm not going to chase the hardy does. The hardy does. It's a type of ibis. What's it? No, iris. No, ibis. Not so romantic if you've seen them feeding off of human waste at a hospital.